Good day, grade 6s. Today we are designing our own questionnaire. A questionnaire is a series of questions for the purpose of gathering information. They can be thought as a kind of written interviews that you're having with people, and they can be carried out face-to-face, by telephone, computer, social media, or post. They are also a way of measuring behavior, attitudes, preferences, opinions, and intentions of groups of people. Here are a few examples of what a questionnaire looks like. In the first one, you'll see that there's a list of questions, and you would simply have to answer yes or no to them. And in the second one, again, there's a list of questions, and you simply circle the smiley or the unhappy face to describe what your reaction to the question is. So how do I go about designing a questionnaire? As always, I start by planning. First, decide what information you would like to find out about your friends or your classmates, and choose a topic that interests you. What are the favorite television shows that they watch, or some more examples? What are the favorite takeaway food? What is their preferred social media platform? Do they have pets, and what kind of pets do they have? Or what is the favorite spectator sport or their favorite activity? So once you've decided what you want to do your questionnaire on, which topic, you can then start the draft. It's important to decide what questions you are going to ask related to your topic. 3 to 4 questions should be more than enough. Make sure that the questions that you ask have short answers, yes or no, or close-ended questions. And you can use a table format for your questionnaire. That usually works very well. And decide who are you going to ask the questions to. Approximately 10 people should be enough people for a survey like this. At the bottom, you'll see that here's an example of a questionnaire in a table format with the questions on the one side and the names of the people that you are going to interview on top. Now we are ready to write and present the final questionnaire. So draw up your final questionnaire neatly. Make sure that you've included 3 to 4 questions in your questionnaire and that you are presenting it in a table format. Now you can ask the questions to all the people you are interviewing. Remember to record the answers on the questionnaire. And finally, you're going to write a paragraph or present a graph of your findings. So what did you find out during this questionnaire? Here is an example of a completed questionnaire. And now we're going to look at writing a paragraph or presenting the graph of your findings. So when you present your findings, you are going to tell us what discoveries you made by doing the questionnaire. And you can do it by either presenting it in a graph format, or you can do it by writing a paragraph. If you are going to write a paragraph, remember to include the following information. Which question or option had the most replies, which question had the least replies, and which answers or information surprised you or was unexpected. If you're going to present it in a graph format, you can either do a circle diagram or circle graph, or you can do a bar chart presenting your information in this way. Okay, so let's talk about homework. Obviously, you need to design this questionnaire that we've just talked about and also complete the other activities on this week's worksheet. Have fun asking all of these questions.